In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to install Shopify Tinker app in iOS. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your app store. Now at the bottom, you're going to find this search icon. Click on that. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Shopify Tinker, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now go ahead and click on the app. Now click on the option Get. You'll be prompted to use your Apple ID's password or use your Face ID for the verification. Once you complete this process, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download process, launch it. Now click on Sign In, provide your account credentials, and you can use this account. So this way you can easily install Shopify Tinker app in iOS. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.